Do you hear me? Say sorry now. Say sorry now. Tell everyone what you said. Tell everyone what you said. And you really, really said it. Really mean it. So tell everyone what you said.
Kilo?
No, you didn't say Kilo. You said Daddy is the best boy. Aye. Laugh all you want. Do you think that's for me? Or you heard that?
Come here.
Aye, Daddy, you.
People.
Aye, wee Beeble. Wee Beeble's my best friend, you're not. Aye, friggin' Daddy, you.
What?
No, trying to be all nice now. Why would you say that? And you must have said Daddy about 5 times. Daddy. It's not funny. I look after you 24/7. I dare you. Randy's going to fall out this day. Kilo,
Would now be a good time to input your password.
do you hear me?
Yeah, why not?
Come here. Come here, here. Come here.
Oh, you come here.
Sit. Not barking. Kilo.
Kilo, what am I going to do with you? So you said bad talk. And you've said daddy stuff. Aye, that's better. Say, say, Mommy is the best girl. No, say Mommy is the... Chucky! Say Mommy is the best girl. Go! Mommy is the best girl. Go! Go! Kilo, say Mommy is the... best girl.
Hey. Come on.
I'm gonna learn
Come
you.
on.
Come on. You're not going anywhere with me until you say Mommy is the best girl.
Good girl.
No, best girl.
Good girl.